The intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and creativity is reshaping the art world in exciting and unprecedented ways. From generating stunning visual artwork to composing music and even writing stories, AI is giving artists new tools to expand their creative horizons. While some may view AI as a threat to traditional artistry, many artists are embracing it as a partner to push the boundaries of creativity and explore new forms of expression. In this video, we'll explore how artists are using AI to innovate, collaborate with technology, and create groundbreaking work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends in art and technology. 1. Understanding AI as a creative tool. Artificial intelligence is more than just a technical innovation. It has become a tool that artists can use to enhance and expand their creative processes. AI-powered programs such as deep learning models, neural networks, and generative algorithms allow artists to experiment with new techniques and styles that might have been impossible with traditional methods. These AI systems analyze vast amounts of data to create new and unique artistic outputs based on patterns, styles, and rules it has learned from previous works. For artists, AI offers a fresh perspective and an opportunity to break free from conventional limits, making it a powerful and versatile tool in the creative toolkit. 2. AI-powered art generation. One of the most remarkable ways artists are using AI is through the generation of visual art. Programs like Adobe, Artbreeder, and DeepArt allow users to create digital artwork from simple text prompts or by blending various visual elements. These AI models use deep learning to understand and mimic artistic styles, enabling them to create unique pieces that combine elements of classic art with futuristic or abstract designs. Some artists use these AI tools as the starting point for their work, while others rely entirely on AI-generated images for their creations. AI art generation is making art creation more accessible, enabling artists of all skill levels to experiment and create without needing advanced technical knowledge. 3. AI in music composition and sound design. AI is also making waves in the music industry by assisting artists in composing, producing, and even performing music. Tools like OpenAI's MuseNet and Jukedeck allow musicians to generate complex compositions in a variety of styles, from classical to contemporary. These AI-driven tools analyze thousands of musical compositions and learn how different elements of music work together. Musicians can input specific parameters, such as tempo, genre, or mood, and the AI generates unique musical pieces based on these inputs. Additionally, AI is being used for sound design, creating new futuristic sounds that push the boundaries of traditional music production. Musicians and sound artists are using AI as a collaborator to enhance their creative processes and explore new auditory possibilities. 4. Enhancing writing and storytelling with AI. AI is transforming the world of writing by helping authors generate ideas, plot lines, and even entire narratives. AI-powered writing assistants like GPT-3 and Jasper are being used to assist with everything from blog posts and poetry to full-length novels and screenplays. These tools can help writers brainstorm ideas, refine language, and structure their stories. Writers can also use AI to experiment with different writing styles or explore narrative possibilities they might not have considered otherwise. While AI-generated writing still requires human input and editing, it serves as a powerful creative partner, offering writers new ways to develop their craft and innovate storytelling. 5. AI as a collaborative partner for artists. Rather than replacing human creativity, AI is enhancing it by acting as a collaborative partner. Many artists view AI as an extension of their creative process, providing new ways to conceptualize and experiment with their art. AI can generate preliminary designs, suggest color schemes, or even mimic the style of famous artists, giving creators a foundation to build upon. This collaborative process allows artists to quickly iterate on their ideas and explore new creative avenues. Some artists embrace the randomness of AI-generated suggestions, which can inspire unexpected results and encourage creative exploration. In this sense, AI is seen as a partner that pushes artists to think beyond their usual boundaries. 6. AI in animation and film production. AI is increasingly being used in animation and film production to speed up processes and create visually stunning works of art. AI tools like Adobe Sensei and Runway NL can automate tedious tasks like color correction, motion tracking, and special effects generation. These tools use AI to learn from previous data, making the process more efficient and freeing up time for artists to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. Additionally, AI-generated animations can be used to create lifelike characters or surreal, dreamlike sequences that would be difficult to achieve using traditional animation techniques. AI's role in animation is revolutionizing how films and animations are created, making it easier to bring creative visions to life. 7. AI and interactive art installations. AI is also being used to create interactive art installations that engage viewers in new ways. These installations often respond to the movements, actions, or inputs of the audience, creating a dynamic and immersive experience. For example, AI can analyze the viewer's facial expressions, gestures, or voice to alter the artwork in real time. These interactive pieces encourage audiences to become active participants in the creative process, rather than passive observers. AI in interactive art installations opens up new possibilities for audience engagement, allowing artists to create unique experiences that evolve based on interaction, creating a deeper connection between the artwork and its audience. 8. AI in fashion design. In the fashion world, AI is being used to design clothing, predict trends, and even create entire collections. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data to understand consumer preferences and predict what styles will be popular in the future. Designers use AI to experiment with different fabrics, patterns, and cuts, creating innovative custom designs that might not have been possible with traditional methods. AI tools also assist with 3D modeling and virtual fitting, allowing designers to visualize their creations before they are physically produced. AI in fashion is not only changing the design process, but also making the fashion industry more sustainable by reducing waste and optimizing production. 9. Ethical considerations in AI-generated art. As AI continues to play a larger role in the creative process, ethical questions have arisen about ownership, authenticity, and the role of the artist. Who owns the rights to AI-generated art? Can AI truly be considered creative? Or is it simply a tool that follows human instructions? These questions are at the forefront of debates within the art community as AI-generated works become more common. Some argue that AI-generated art lacks the human touch and emotional depth found in traditional artwork, while others believe that AI opens up new possibilities for artistic expression. As AI and art continue to intersect, these ethical considerations will shape the future of creativity and intellectual property. AI is transforming the way we think about creativity, opening up new possibilities for artists across all disciplines. From visual arts to music, writing, fashion, and beyond, technology is enhancing artistic expression and encouraging experimentation. As AI continues to evolve, it will only become more integral to the creative process. If you're excited about the intersection of AI and art, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into how technology is shaping the future of creativity. Stay creative and keep exploring the endless possibilities AI has to offer.